Baby Einsteins touch and feel baby animals. Mimi sees a little chick. Hello, little chick. The chick looks like a fluffy ball as it pecks along the ground. Mimi gently reaches out to touch its yellow down. Mimi sees a puppy. Hello, little puppy. The puppy is so playful with its big and floppy feet. Mimi feels its soft long ears while their little noses meet. Mimi sees a kitten. Hello, little kitten. The kitten says meow. Mimi hears it purr. The kitten has long whiskers. Mimi feels its soft orange fur. Mimi sees a baby turtle. Hello, little turtle. The turtle's resting on a log to enjoy the sunny day. Mimi feels its smooth hard shell before it swims away. Mimi sees a baby hedgehog. Hello, little hedgehog. The little hedgehog sniffs for bugs. That's what they like to do. Mimi feels its brown quills. What do they feel like to you? The end.